The security forces say they have retaken control of Black River and order has been restored to the hurricane-hit town. The security forces swarmed the area today, this in an attempt to prevent further looting in the town. Many businesses faced a double blow, damage to infrastructure and loss of goods. Residents we spoke with complained about the presence of the police, arguing that food items from wholesales and supermarkets especially are likely to go to waste. The police, however, say they will continue to maintain a strong presence in the area as the restoration efforts get underway. And Chief Justice Brian Sykes has given an update on the state of the courts in parishes worst impacted by Hurricane Melissa.
We're at the family court in the Rock with the parish of Trelawney. By all accounts, it won't be able to be open the next week, and neither the parish court in Duncans. There has been significant damage to the property here onto the roof. Also in Duncans, water has entered the court, particularly where the staff would be, and there's also the loss of power. So further assessment would need to be done. As far as courts in the western region are concerned, we haven't been able to get any reports in the parish court or the family court in the parish of St. James. We're aware that in Westmoreland, the family court there has lost its roof. We're aware that the parish court there has lost its roof as well. In Hanover, there seems to be some damage, but not very significant damage, even though the electricity of the generator is working. So it is largely water damage, water seeping into the building, so we may be able to reopen the Hanover Parish Court later on in the week. The family court in Hanover, I understand, has lost its roof as well. In St. Elizabeth, the court in Black River, that's a total loss. The two courtrooms in Santa Cruz, one is damaged, one doesn't seem to be as damaged, and we have not yet had any information on the court in Balaclava. So until we receive further information, the courts in St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, Trelawney will remain closed.